Have you ever imagined owning a piece of the future? Maybe you've heard whispers about Bitcoin or seen headlines about Ethereum's potential. The world of cryptocurrency can seem complex and intimidating, but what if I told you it could be easier to enter than you think? Today, we're diving into the world of Coinbase, one of the most popular platforms for buying, selling, and even earning crypto. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, this guide will walk you through the process of opening a Coinbase account, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to take your first foray into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Now, before we jump in, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency is a volatile market. This video is for informational purposes only, and it's not financial advice. Do your own research before you invest any money. Alright, with the disclaimers out of the way, let's get started. Step 1. Gearing up for Coinbase. Opening a Coinbase account is pretty straightforward. There are a few things you'll need to have on hand first. Be 18 or older. This is a global age requirement for using Coinbase. Government-issued ID. Get your driver's license, passport, or national ID ready for verification. Internet connection. This one's a no-brainer, but you'll need a stable connection to complete the sign-up process. Phone number. Coinbase might send verification texts, so have your phone handy. A device. You can use your computer or download the Coinbase app on your phone. Step 2. Creating your account. Head over to Coinbase website or launch the app. You'll be greeted by a sign-up page. Here, you'll enter your email address and create a strong password. Remember, this password is your key to your crypto holdings, so choose something complex and unique. Once you've filled out this information, you might be prompted to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Coinbase and click the link to complete this step. Step 3. Verification is key. Security is paramount in the world of crypto, so Coinbase will need to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a clear picture of your government-issued ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to take a photo or upload an existing image. Coinbase might also ask you for a selfie to match the photo on your ID. Don't worry, this process is quick and secure. Once your ID is verified, you're almost there. Step 4. Funding your account. Now that you're verified, it's time to fund your Coinbase account. This is where you'll deposit the traditional currency you want to use to buy crypto. Coinbase offers several options, including bank transfers, debit cards, and even wire transfers, depending on your location. Each method has its own processing time and fees, so take a moment to review these details before choosing. Once you've selected your preferred method, follow the on-screen instructions to link your bank account or debit card. Step 5. Exploring the cryptoverse. Congratulations! You've successfully opened your Coinbase account and are ready to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency. The Coinbase interface is user-friendly, allowing you to browse supported cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. You'll see the current price, trading charts, and even have the option to set up recurring buys to invest a set amount at regular intervals. Step 6. Security matters. Before we wrap up, let's talk about security. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets, and Coinbase offers its own built-in wallet for your convenience. However, for additional security, consider transferring your crypto to a private wallet once you've purchased it. Coinbase also offers two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. This usually involves a code sent to your phone or an authenticator app whenever you try to log in. Always enable two-factor authentication for any financial account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.